Welcome to Braylen AV. Let's get into the topic of Millionaire Steps. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So, you desire a millionaire status? Let's start by spotting trends and replicating the measurements the wealthy took. We have developed a list of 10 stages to becoming a millionaire with the assistance of financial professionals. The suggestion is very straightforward: learning, dedication, and a lot of focus are necessary to become a millionaire. Number 1. Develop a millionaire's mindset. Adopt the perspective of a millionaire. Wealth is a mental game. If you don't have a positive attitude about money from the beginning, you can find it difficult to adopt the habits and tactics of millionaires. Number 2. Build skills. It's vital to hone in your necessary skills. Successful people enjoy knowing more about their industry. Discover the details of the area you want to enter and how things are carried out. Practicing your talents is a must. Number 3. Increase your income. Increase your revenue to reach millionaire status faster. Learning new skills will boost your marketability. The more money you have to invest and save, the better off you will be. Increasing your income is the quickest method to become a millionaire. Number 4. Learn how to monetize your skills. Consider ways to monetize your talents, hobbies, and skills. Start a second business and work hard to build it. Having extra money each year could help you achieve your financial goals, particularly if one of them is to become rich. If you want to become a millionaire sooner, increasing your income is the quickest way to do it. The better you are at what you do, the more money you will earn and save. As your income increases, this allows you to invest more. Number 5. Focus on your goals. Maintain concentration on your financial goals. Millionaires are preoccupied with their own goals, and don't focus on what others are thinking or doing. Number 6. Create a written financial strategy. Simply wishing to be affluent will not get you there. You must create a workable plan, write it down, and then implement it. Have a documented strategy to compel you to take action, such as estimating how much you need to earn and where you should invest. Making saving money a priority raises the possibility that your financial future will be stronger than your current or past financial situation. Number 7. Live within your means. Live within your financial means. Our success will be defined in large part by how we manage our money, rather than how much we spend. People who are determined to become millionaires are less likely to waste money on unnecessary things. Number 8. Analyze. Determine what works and what does not. The greater you analyze, the better your performance. Keep track of your performance. This is one of the main ways to achieve financial success. Number 9. Maximize your retirement savings. Investing your money is one way to become a millionaire quickly. IRAs, which are personal accounts, and 401ks are the two most frequent types of retirement funds. Number 10. And my favorite step. Multiple income streams. Start a side business to diversify your sources of income. Starting a home-based or online business might help one enhance their funds. Keep in mind that this money is not intended for entertainment, but to invest, and assist you to getting to the next level of wealth. If you want finances to grow, you must invest it. The majority of millionaires derive their income from a variety of business enterprises, dividends from investments, rental income, and other sources. If you want to begin building a 7-figure net worth, take the long view. Think on the importance of securing your financial future and your future self. When you are not worried about having money to meet your needs, you can think more broadly, and focus on the areas of life that are most essential. Thank you for watching. We hope you received value. Feel free to watch these next 2 videos for even more value.